First of all, good morning to all. My name is Mohammad Mursaleen and I have been studying at Motivational English Academy for last 3 months. And I am the student of Motivational English Academy. Today I am going to tell you a story. The story title is The Language of Dog. Once upon a time, a businessman lived in a city. His name was Amit and his wife name was Preeti. He had a servant named was Ramu. One day he brought a boy. He was 6 years old and his name was Dheeraj. He was orphan and at that day it was anniversary of the year. He made sure to invite rich and powerful people, and when the sun was setting, the guests started gathering in the garden, and as they commenced the party, two dogs started barking at the gate of the house, and they were disturbing all of them. Amit said that if we knew the language of them, so we could answer them properly. And Ramu was serving them, and Dheeraj was helping him. Dheeraj said, "Sir, I know the language of the dog, and I can tell you that what they are saying." His wife Preeti asked, "So the boy, please tell us what they are saying." Dheeraj said, "I will tell you if you promise me to not scold." Preeti said, "Please boy, tell me, I am losing my patience." The boy said that, "Ma'am, there are one male and female dog, and saying that this couple is served all time by someone, but a time will come that Amit will bring water for washing hand, and Preeti would brought towel for wipe out the hands." So the wife of the Amit asked, "So who is the guy?" So Dheeraj said, "Ma'am, he is a child and he is standing in front of you." These words ruined their moods, and Amit said Ramu to take him away from there. Ramu took him away and said, "Son, please do not say such things, because they are powerful people and they can throw out you of the house." Dheeraj said, "Sir, I didn't say any bullshit, and there was nothing to hide." And next morning, Amit called Ramu and said that Dheeraj cannot live here anymore, and when he sleeps, so leave him there where from you have take him. Ramu was a very kind-hearted man, but he couldn't disobey the order of the master, and he put him in a boat and also put a note and some food. The note was, "Please take care this orphan boy, because he was kicked out without any his fault." When Dheeraj woke up, he found himself in a boat at the middle of the ocean. He was feeling hungry, and he ate the all food, and now he was thinking that how he had come there. Soon there was a ship that was crossing near the boat, and the officer saw the boat and soon dispatched a team for rescue the boy. The boy came on the ship, and he was holding a piece of paper. So the officer asked him to show the paper, and when he read the paper, so these words touched his heart, and the officer decided to adopt Dheeraj, and to look after him. After many days, Dheeraj started learning business fundamental, and one day Dheeraj said, "Sir, please delay this shipment within 24 hours, because I have heard I have heard a I have heard a debate, or that is, two dogs were talking to each other that a storm is coming under 24 hours." And at first the officer laughed at him, that how could you understand the language of the dog. He said, "Sir, I can understand the language of the dog, and I also know that I can understand this only in 3 times in my whole life, and now I have only one chance." So he was the captain thought that he was bullshit, and he was making fun of him, but somehow Dheeraj convinced the captain to delay the ship, and the officer ran towards the next ship, who was about to leave the port. And when he explained the situation to the next captain, the captain denied to stop and left the port. The officer waited for some time, and after some time a storm raged, and the waves of water covered the whole clouds and sun, and the black clouds gathered and started raining, and soon the ship was started drowning and ruined everything. The officer thanked Raghav that he had saved the whole ship. He had saved the whole ship and goods. And after many days, there was a meeting with the king. So the officer took him along with him to the king, and he bought a bucket of flowers and went in the castle of the king. The Dheeraj was introduced by the officer, and the king was attracted by his behavior and intelligence. While they were talking to each other, two dogs started barking outside of the room. The king said that these dogs often stay silent, but why are they barking 2 days? Dheeraj said, "Sir, I can understand the language of those dogs, and I can answer properly. Sir, kindly open the window so that I can hear them properly." The king was shocked, but still he opened the window and asked Dheeraj, "Tell me that what are they talking about?" "Sir, there are 3 dogs, one male, one female, and a puppy. Male dog is saying that this puppy is belong to me, and the male dog is saying this puppy belongs to me, and female dogs saying this puppy belongs to me, and now they want to ask you." The king said that this puppy belongs to both of them. The dogs bowed their head and went away. After this, the king was happy for his intelligence, and the king made Dheeraj a courtier of his court. After many days, king said to Dheeraj to explore the city, to know about the situation of his country, and Dheeraj decided to go first at Amit and Preeti house. He went there, and it was lunch time. Amit brought water for washing hand, and Preeti brought a towel for wipe out. And then he realized that it had happened because the two dogs were talking each other before. He saw an old man in the garden and asked that who is he. Amit answered him, sir, he is our gardener, and he is our gardener. Dheeraj said, call him. Amit said, sir, he is just a servant. He has no knowledge about our business. So, but he insisted to call him, and when he said to the servant, sir, whatever I am today because of you. So he recognized Dheeraj and hugged him. After it, he took him along with him and went to the castle and lived happily with the king. That's it.